government shutdown, I think we are all surprised and still waiting, as in what to do, all in a dilemma, in a limbo, most of our visas. Many of the immigrants do for their future. So, what do you have to say? What can we expect from today's discussion?
Just kind of going over what to do if you're in a situation where you're kind of screwed right now, where the labor condition application isn't processing or can't be filed, and you're coming up on the expiration of your I-94, so an extension or a change of status. It's actually pretty interesting. Yesterday, it looks like the USCIS has indicated that, and I'll use the language that they've stated because this just came out, they will exercise discretion to accept H-1B petitions that were not timely filed because of the government shutdown. So specifically, what they're saying is if the petitioner meets all other requirements and provides evidence demonstrating that the primary reason it did not timely file an H-1B petition with a request for an extension of stay or change of status was due to the government shutdown, USCIS will consider the shutdown an extraordinary circumstance beyond the petitioner's control as a favorable factor in determining whether to excuse the petitioner's failure to file an H-1B petition on time. So what does that mean? It means they're saying we will think about approving your case if, when you file, you can clearly establish that the only thing preventing you from filing was the government shutdown. It doesn't say that they will accept the case. It doesn't say that they will approve the case. It says that it will be considered as a factor. I think it's important to also distinguish, they only put two categories there: extensions and change of status. So amendments and transfers, you're just on hold, it looks like, which makes sense because a lot of the time that person's still going to have an I-94. So, I mean, it's a little bit of positive relief, but with anything with this administration, until I see them actually approving these cases, I will be weary of what they've said.